In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy a list to another board in Trello, step by step. Whether you're reorganizing projects, duplicating workflows, or moving a completed phase into a new board, this method makes it quick and simple. Trello is incredibly powerful for project management, but if you don't know where certain options are, it can feel a little hidden. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through everything in real time so you can follow along easily. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Trello tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll land on your main workspace, where you can see all of your boards. From here, click on Boards if needed, and then select the board that currently contains the list you want to copy or move. Now that you're inside the board, locate the specific list you want to copy to another board. At the top right corner of that list, you'll see a 3 dots menu icon. This is the List Actions menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to open the drop-down options. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Move List. Click on Move List. This will open a pop-up window where you can choose the destination board. Inside this window, you'll see a board selector. Click on the drop-down to locate the board you want to move or copy the list to. Trello will show your available boards, so scroll if necessary and find the correct one. Once you see the board you want, click on it to select it. After selecting the destination board, you'll notice a Position drop-down option. This allows you to choose where the list will appear on the new board. You can choose to place it at the beginning, at the end, or in a specific order depending on the existing lists in that board. Click on the Position drop-down and select your preferred placement. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and click the Move button. Trello will instantly transfer that entire list, along with all of its cards and content, to the selected board and position. Now, it's important to mention that using Move List will remove the list from the original board and place it on the new one. If your goal is to duplicate instead of move, you would first use the Copy List option, if available, or duplicate the board depending on your workflow. But for most project transitions, Move List is exactly what you need. And that's it. That's how you copy or move a list to another board in Trello quickly and efficiently. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks once you know where the settings are. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity tutorials, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.